Your registers are still in front of you, right? Page 58. Write classwork, write today's date.
May I go to one room?
Yes, go quickly and come back.
Ma'am,
Yes. What
thank you,
happened?
ma'am. मैम रफ रजिस्टर में लिखना है.
क्या लिखना है अभी तो मैंने बताया ही नहीं है. So you have to wait for me to tell you.
मैम which page number?
Please wait. I will tell you which page number. Page number 58. Okay, page number 58. The exercises, check your progress. You have to do match the column, write number 1 in the margin, do match the column. Then number 2, write unscramble and then do that exercise. Do both the exercises. Have you started writing, children?
मैम रफ रजिस्टर में करना है.
You have to do this in your rough register.
मैम मैच करना है.
Yes. Match, when you are matching, you will write the numbers, you will not draw lines.
रफ रजिस्टर में मैम.
Yes, yes, rough register.
मैम तो करनी एक्सरसाइज. मैम तो करनी एक्सरसाइज.
Both the exercises you have to do. And once you finish this, you have to give me a thumbs up sign. इसके आगे भी काम करना है हम लोग को. So जल्दी जल्दी करना है. Yes, बेटा.
मैम एक्सरसाइज है मैचिंग द उसे रफ रजिस्टर में करना है. ओके.
बेटा इतनी देर से मैं यही तो कह रही हूँ ना कि रफ रजिस्टर में करना है.
चलो ओके.
Myra, how come you're joining in the 5th period? Myra, I'm talking to you, child.
मैम वो मैच और अनस्क्रेबल भी करना है ना?
Yes, unscramble. विदुषी बोलो unscramble. Un.
अनस्क्रैम्बल.
Good. Unscramble. Yes. बेटा तुम्हारी आवाज़ क्लियर नहीं आती है, तो जब बोला करो तो बिकम क्लोजर टू द माइक. ओके. फिर से बोलो, अब बोलो.
मैम पेज 58 पर क्या करना है?
एक पेज 58 पे there are two exercises. One is match, the second one is unscramble. You have to write number 1 in the margin, do match. Write number 2 in the margin and do unscramble. Both have to be done in the rough register. Akshay, child.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I can't see your face. I can see only the wall of your room. Yes, this is better. Now I can see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एसएसटी बुक में पेज 58
This is the science period now.
पे अनस्क्रैम्बल.
This is the science period now. We have already finished social studies. We are doing science now.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. बोलिए.
Ma'am, see.
Oh, very good. Then send. I am changing the setting. You can send me the work. Wait. Time है ना? Lot of time. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Shayan, send me the work, right?
Ma'am,
Start sending me your work, children, if you have finished it.
मैम सेंड करना है.
हाँ जी, सेंड करो.
मैम एक्सरसाइज को करना भी है।
हाँ बेटा, अगर करोगे नहीं तो फायदा क्या है। Good, Shayan.
मैम
Yes, Suknoor, good. Yes, next.
मैम
Hmm.
मैम आपने हम ये जो आपने मैम साइंस में वर्क करवाया है इसे मैम सेंड करना है।
Of course, send करना है अक्षय. Yes, Nishkat, good. Yes, Akshay, good. Fazilat, please check the spelling of stable. Yes, Fazilat, the rest is correct. Yes, Advait, correct. Oh, Advait, unscramble, number 3, please check. Advait, check it and send me, correct it and send me the answer, please. Hanifa, number 3, check the answer and unscramble. Vidushi, correct, but do it as the other children are doing, child.
ओके मैम।
Yes, Saida, but please leave one line in between, right? Yes, Ishanvi, I want a better picture, please, next time. Yes, Yasir, correct. Akshat, correct. Nabiha, single line, please. It has to be a single line register.
मैम मुझे रीडू करना है।
नहीं, रीडू मत करो विदुषी, but next time be careful, right? Yes, Advait, correct now. Now, since most of you have completed this, turn to page 60 of the book, 6060, and do the first exercise. Write true or false. Do it quickly. You can finish it before the period gets over.
मैम नंबर 1 करना
Number 1, match the column. Yes, Hashvi, good.
मैम रिपीटेड इट
Which one?
साइंस वर्क
Page 60, number 1, exercise number 1 now in the book.
ओके मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम मेरा ट्रू फॉल्स चेक भी हो चुका है
हाँ मुझे मालूम है, तो काम करिए ना, कॉपी में तो करना, वो रफ रजिस्टर में करना है ना.
वो रजिस्टर में करना है
Yes. All this is a part of your revision, children. क्योंकि ज़्यादातर काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है, सो वी आर डूइंग रिविजन नाउ. सो अच्छे से रिविजन होगा, देन यू विल बी डूइंग योर एग्जाम nicely without any help from anyone. So while you are writing this, whatever I am making you write, you have to learn it also. Continuously लिखते रहोगे तो याद भी होता जाता है. एकाग्र, you have not copied question number 2. Unscramble में सिर्फ उनने आंसर्स लिख के भेज दिए. You have to copy the question also. Please do it again.
ओके मैम
Children, you can stop writing now and complete it later on.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good, send it to me.
Ma'am, I have done.
Get ready for your Hindi period now. Tasmia, what happened? Why are you joining so late? Now the period is getting over. You have to get ready for your Hindi period now. Okay, children, get ready for your Hindi period now. It's your Hindi period. For the time being, next period when we meet, we will meet with, we'll be doing our recitation again. Recitation or reading. Sure.